good to see you again. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to our videos. This is Teacher Layla and you are watching a new phonics video with Arab House Kindergarten. What is the sound? Can you hear? It is ch sound, ch sound. Okay, it is like the sound of the train. Please watch this video. So ch sound is the train's sound. Now, after we guess what is the sound today, let's learn how to write it. First, we have to write k sound that consists of one part. Do you remember it? This one. Then we are going to write sound. So k and together make ch sound. Ch sound. Great. Now repeat after me. Ch ch. Perfect. Now let's learn some words that start with ch sound. Look at the first one. Oh, this mini one, its name is a check. Check. Please repeat after me. Check. Perfect. The next one is something that we all like. It is a cheese. Cheese. So repeat cheese. Perfect. Now the last one, this is a chimney. Chimney. Repeat. Chimney. Good job. Now, I hope you have enjoyed with this video. I will leave you to hear the song of ch sound. See you next time.
Trains are chugging up the hill. Ch 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 ch. Trains are chugging up the hill. Ch 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 choo choo.
See you next video. Bye bye.